As promised, we are going to take this one by one. So this is how to pipe. You're going to open your piping bag very well. Anchor it into your hand. The essence of doing this is just not so that you don't smear the piping bag and at the end of the day to be messy. Push your buttercream into it. All right, push it down. Remove that excess in the mouth at the tip of the piping bag. Remove that excess. Then you bring it close to your cake. When you bring it close, don't let the piping bag touch the cake. That is the trick. As it is close to the cake, be pushing the icing sugar. Just be pushing it to stay on the body of the cake. But the piping bag must not touch it. Don't forget that you do this after you must have crumb coated, after you must have locked in your crumbs. Now you just carefully be pushing the icing sugar to lap on the body of the crumb coated cake. That crumb coating also helps the buttercream to stick. So you just keep pushing it, but the point is, the trick is, don't let the piping bag, that nylon, don't let it touch the cake. So in our next class, I'll teach us how to use both the plain and the patterned comb. Cheers.